How do you eat here?
Want me to show you?
It is overwhelming to look at a room or a closet or a space that is filled with stuff. Thinking about it and worrying about it takes a lot more energy than the actual doing of it. It never takes as much time as you think it will. So give yourself 3 sessions, let's say. Say I'm going to do 3-hour sessions and see how I do. Or just say, I'm going to dedicate this afternoon to getting started, because once you get started, everything really flows.
If it's sports, I collect it.
But why is it in a bucket behind the couch in here?
Well, there are things that you have to keep, of course, that you want to use, but you have to sort of think, what's the regularity? How often do I use it? Do I use it once a day? Do I use it once a week? Do I use it once a year? Maybe you have a blender that you have up in the cabinet and you want to make more smoothies. Well, take that darn blender down and put it on the counter. If you have a blender on the counter that you never use and you're not a smoothie maker and you don't make daiquiris, well then take that darn blender and put it up in the cabinet. It's about what you're using.
If Daddy has to clean up, Daddy throws it all in the garbage.
It is hard to figure out what you should keep and what you should get rid of. If it's something very special from your past and you really want to keep the physical object, then dedicate, let's say, a large plastic bin and put those objects in there. If you're overflowing with 3, 4, 5 bins, you're probably keeping too much.
Bruce hasn't even started this room. Not good.